Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am recreating a look I did and posted on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted this picture and asked if people wanted to see it on my channel. I did get a couple comments on it. Not much. I don't have a huge following there. I don't have a huge following anywhere, really. So I'm going to recreate it, and it is using my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette, which I'm so excited to have in my collection. So I'm not going to talk much here. I'm going to fast forward through a lot of it. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonna. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today. It warms my heart so very much that you guys choose to watch my videos, because I know that you absolutely don't have to. So thank you so much again, and my eyeball is watering. Oh, also my dog is in the room, so if you guys hear weird noises, it's probably him. Okay, so let's just jump in. I'm probably going to get you up close to my eyes, zoom you in so you can see stuff. Alrighty, let's get started. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope I fast forwarded enough through it, but not too fast through it, so that you saw what I was doing. I really do enjoy using this palette. I'm really super happy to have it in my collection, and I absolutely love Many MUA. So this was, as I said before, kind of a no-brainer for me. I really dig this look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. This was just an incident of me playing one night at 11 o'clock at night with my makeup and coming up with this look, and I'm really super happy that it turned out as well as it did. You guys will have to let me know how you like it. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys liked it, and if you did, that you'd give me a big thumbs up, showing me that you loved it, and I hope that you'll want to subscribe to my channel on your way out. Thank you so much for joining me again, guys, and until next time, bye.